Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. Have you ever been connected to your Wi-Fi network, but you can't remember the password and maybe somebody is asking you for it? Well, in today's video, we're gonna show you a tip that you did not know on how to figure out what that password is, specifically with Windows. Now, before we jump into that, if you're interested in genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links in the description down below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is hit Windows key and R to open the little run box here. And then we're going to type in ncpa.cpl and just press enter on that. Double click your Wi-Fi connection and hit wireless properties, and then over in the security tab, if we hit and show characters, we can see our Wi-Fi password right there. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about that process, drop those in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you have any video topics that you think we should cover, drop those in the comment section below and we'll add it to our list. Again, if you're interested in genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links in the description box below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video.